Today we are going to few remaining problem in a problem set 2. आज आपण पायथागोरस प्रमेयामधील चॅप्टर मधील प्रॉब्लेम सेट 2 मधील काही मोजकेच प्रॉब्लेम बाकी आहेत त्यांचा आज आपण अभ्यास करूया. Problem number 15 in a problem set 2. Problem is in a trapezium ABCD. Segment AB is a parallel to segment DC. Segment BD is a perpendicular to segment AD and segment AC is a perpendicular to segment BC. If AD is equal to 15, BC is equal to 15 and AB is equal to 25, then find area of quadrilateral ABCD. Quadrilateral ABCD is a trapezium. To find area of trapezium ABCD. Solution of this question. In a trapezium quadrilateral ABCD, we construct DE is a perpendicular to side AB and CF is a perpendicular to side AB. Therefore, when we construct perpendicular segment, then form triangle ADB. BD is a perpendicular to side AB. It is given in a problem. हा चौकोन ABCD हा समलंब चौकोन आहे. या चौकोनामध्ये BD लंब बाजू AD आहे, AC लंब बाजू BC आणि या आकृतीमध्ये आपण एक रचना केलेली आहे. टू ड्रॉ सेगमेंट परपेंडिकुलर सेगमेंट DE on side AB and CF on side AB. Then in a triangle ADB, angle D is equal to 90 degree. Therefore, by using Pythagoras theorem, in a triangle ADB, hypotenuse is a AB. Therefore, AB square is equal to AD square plus BD square. The value of AB is equal to 25, AD is equal to 15. Therefore, we get 25 square is equal to 15 square plus BD square. Here 25 square is 625, 15 square is 225. To find the value of BD square, 225 goes down LHS side, then we get minus. BD square is equal to 625 minus 225. Its subtraction is 400. BD square is equal to 400. Taking square root, BD is equal to 20 centimeter. Similarly, to find AC by using Pythagoras theorem in a triangle ACB, AB square is equal to BC square plus AC square. Then we get the value of AC is equal to 20 centimeter. Now in a triangle AED and triangle ABD, in these two triangles, in a triangle AED and triangle ABD, the angle AED is equal to angle ADB, each of 90 degree, and angle EAD is a congruent angle BAD, common angle. Therefore, two angle of one triangle is congruent to the corresponding two angle of other triangle. Then such two triangles are similar by AA test. जेव्हा एका त्रिकोणाचे दोन कोण दुसऱ्या त्रिकोणाच्या दोन संगत कोणाशी एकरूप असतात तेव्हा ते दोन त्रिकोण समरूप असतात. In these two triangle AED and ABD, the angle AED is a congruent angle ADB, each of 90 degree, and angle DAE is a congruent angle. DAB, it is a common angle. Therefore, triangle AED is a similar triangle ABD because the AA test. When two triangles are similar, then their corresponding sides are in proportion. जेव्हा दोन त्रिकोण समरूप असतात तेव्हा त्याचे संगत बाजू प्रमाणात असतात. Therefore, DE is a corresponding BD. AD is a corresponding to AD. And AE is a corresponding to AD. Therefore, A is a corresponding to A, E is a corresponding to D, and D is a corresponding to B. Therefore, corresponding sides are in proportion. Here, substitute the value. AD is equal to 15, BD is equal to 20, AB is equal to 25. In this ratio, DE as BD is equal to AD as AB. Substitute this value. DE upon 20 is equal to 15 upon 25. There is a cross multiplication. DE multiply 25 is equal to 20 multiply 15. 25 goes on RHS side, then we get divide. Therefore, DE is equal to 20 multiply 15 upon 25. 5 4s are 20, 5 3s are 15, 4 into 3 is a 12. Therefore, DE is equal to 12 centimeter. Similarly, from this proportion, DE as BD is equal to AE as AD. Substitute the value and to find AE, similarly, DE is equal to 12 upon 20 is equal to AE upon 15. Again here cross multiplication, 20 multiply AE is equal to 12 multiply 15. 20 goes on RHS side, then we get DE is equal to 12 multiply 15 upon 20. 4 divide, 4 5s are 20, 4 3s are 12. 5 3s are 12, 3 into 3 is a 9 centimeter. Therefore, AE is equal to 9 centimeter. Hence, AE is a congruent to BF. Therefore, BEF is equal to 9 centimeter. In a triangle ACB, AC is a perpendicular BC, angle C is 90 degree by using Pythagoras theorem. त्रिकोणाच्या प्रमाणानुसार AB square is equal to AC square plus BC square. Therefore, AC square is equal to AB square minus BC square. Therefore, AB square is a 25 square minus 15 square. 625 minus 225 is equal to 400. Taking square root, then we get AC. AC is equal to 20 centimeter. त्रिकोण AED आणि त्रिकोण ADB या दोन त्रिकोणामध्ये angle AED is a congruent angle ADB, प्रत्येकी 90 अंश. कारण BD लंब आहे AD ला आणि AE लंब आहे AB ला, म्हणून अँगल AED बरोबर अँगल ADB 90 अंशाचे होतील, म्हणून ते एकरूप आहे. Similarly, angle A in a triangle ADE, angle AEAD is a congruent angle BAD, common angle. दोन्ही त्रिकोणामध्ये अँगल EAD आणि अँगल BAD सारखा आहे, म्हणून तो कॉमन अँगल आहे. जेव्हा एका त्रिकोणाचे दोन कोण दुसऱ्या त्रिकोणाच्या दोन संगत कोणाशी एकरूप असतात तेव्हा ते दोन त्रिकोण सिमिलर असतात. सिमिलर दोन त्रिकोण समरूप दाखवण्यासाठी संगती खूप महत्वाची आहे. संगत शिरोबिंदू खूप महत्वाचे आहे. इथे E हा कॉन्ग्रुएंट अँगल D आहे, म्हणून E इज अ करस्पॉन्डिंग टू D. हा E करस्पॉन्डिंग टू D. A कॉमन अँगल आहे, म्हणून A इज अ करस्पॉन्डिंग A. राहिला मग AED मधला D राहिला आणि ABD मधला B राहिलेला आहे, आणि म्हणून D हा B च्या संगत असेल, आणि म्हणून ट्रायंगल AED सिमिलर ट्रायंगल ADB को कसोटीनुसार. जेव्हा दोन त्रिकोण समरूप आहेत तेव्हा त्यांच्या संगत बाजू प्रमाणात असतात, आणि म्हणून DE as BD is equal to AD as AB is equal to AE as AD. आपला AD ची किंमत 15, BD ची किंमत 20, AB ची किंमत 25 माहिती आहे, AC ची किंमत 20 माहित आहे. आपण त्यावरून या प्रमाणात संगत बाजूवरून आपण DE आणि AE ची किंमत काढू शकतो. इथे DE as BD is equal to AD as AB ही संगती. इथे किंमत ठेवूया D/20 is equal to 15/25. तिरकस गुणाकार करा. DE multiply 25 is equal to 20 multiply 15. हा 25 RHS साईडला घ्या, डिवाइड होईल. 20 गुणिले 15 भागिले 25, 5 ने भाग द्या. 5 गुणिले 5 25, 5 त्रिक 15, परत 5 चौक 20, 3 चौक 12. डी ची किंमत 12 सेमी मिळेल. त्याच पद्धतीने DE as BD is equal to AE as AD, यावरून तुम्ही AE ची किंमत काढू शकता. बाकी BD DE AD च्या किमती ठेवा, तिरकस गुणाकार करा. AE multiply 20 is equal to 12 multiply 15. हा 20 RHS साईडला घ्या, डिवाइड होईल. इथे 4चा भाग द्या. 4 25, 4 त्रिक 12, 5 त्रिक 15, 3 into 3 9 सेंटीमीटर. A is equal to 9 सेंटीमीटर. AE ची लांबी BF एवढी आहे. हे दोन त्रिकोण एकरूप आहेत आणि म्हणून BF बरोबर 9 सेंटीमीटर. From construction in a figure, DC is a congruent to EF because DEFC is a rectangle. हा आयत आहे, आयताच्या सम्मुख बाजू एकरूप असतात. Therefore, opposite side of rectangle are congruent. DC is a congruent to EF. Here DC is equal to EF, but DC is a parallel to AB. Hence, DC is equal to EF. We can write EF in form AB minus DE minus AE is equal to EF. DC बरोबर EF आहे. या EF साठी आपण असं लिहू शकतो, AB minus DE minus AE, तेव्हा EF उरतो. Means 25 minus 9 is equal to 25 minus 18 is equal to 7 centimeter. Therefore, DC is equal to 7 centimeter. We know that quadrilateral ABCD is a trapezium, and the area of trapezium is half multiply sum of parallel side multiply perpendicular height. Half multiply sum of parallel side DC plus AB. DC plus AB in bracket multiply height is a DE. Therefore, half multiply in bracket DC plus AB multiply DE. Substitute the value. Half multiply DC is equal to 7 plus AB is equal to 25 multiply D is equal to 12. Half multiply 7 plus 25 is a 32 multiply 12. 2 6 are 12. 32 multiply 6, then we get 192 centimeter square. This is the area of trapezium is 192 square centimeter. Problem number 16. In the figure, triangle PQR is an equilateral triangle. Point S is on segment QR such that QS is equal to 1/3 multiply QR. Prove that 9PS square is equal to 7PQ square. Meaning of this problem, त्रिकोण PQR हा समभुज त्रिकोण आहे. म्हणजे समभुज त्रिकोणाच्या सर्व बाजू एकरूप असतात. प्रत्येक कोण 60 अंशाचा असतो. पॉइंट S हा बाजू QR वर असा आहे की QS बरोबर 1/3 QR. तर सिद्ध करा 9PS square is equal to 7PQ square. Solution of this problem. Given in a problem, triangle PQR is an equilateral triangle. Point S is on the base QR such that QS is equal to 1/3 multiply QR. It is given. We construct in a triangle PQR segment PT is a perpendicular on a side QR from point P. This is a PT is a perpendicular to side QR. Therefore, triangle PQR is an equilateral triangle. Therefore, all sides are congruent. PQ is equal to QR is equal to PR. We know that in an equilateral triangle, the perpendicular drawn from a vertex to the corresponding side. Therefore, side is a bisect, means divide in equal two parts. Here PT is a perpendicular to side QR. QR bisect means QT is equal to TR. We know that the relation QT is a half of QR or TR is the half of QR, but the length of QR is equal to PQ is equal to QR is equal to PR. QR replaced by PQ, it is a congruent side. QT is equal to TR is equal to half multiply PQ. In a triangle PTQ, angle T is equal to 90 degree by using Pythagoras theorem. PQ square is equal to PT square plus QT square. Here QT is the half of QR. Substitute the value PT square plus half PQ bracket square. 1 square is a 1, 2 square is a 4, PQ square. Therefore, PQ square is equal to PT square plus 1 upon 4 PQ square. Here PT square is equal to 3 upon 4 PQ square. We get equation number 2. How to get PT square this? We know that from equation PT square is equal to PQ square minus 1 upon 4 PQ square. Here PQ square upon 1, denominator is not same, cross multiplication. 4 multiply PQ square, 4 PQ square minus PQ square. Then you get 3 PQ square. Here 4 PQ square minus PQ square upon 4 is equal to 3 PQ square upon 4. This is the value of PT square is equal to 3 upon 4 PQ square. We get equation number 2. Similarly, given in a problem, QS is equal to 1 upon 3 QR here, and QT is the half of QR. Then we get PT is a perpendicular to base QR, then QR bisect, therefore QT is equal to half multiply QR. We know that from this QT is equal to QS minus ST. In a triangle PTS, then we have to prove that 9PS square is equal to 7 PQ square. To find PS square, then to find first ST. ST is equal to QT minus QS. Then we get this. QT minus QS is equal to ST. ST is equal to here QT is equal to this value half multiply QR minus QS is equal to given 1 upon 3 QR minus 1 upon 3 QR. Here is a denominator is not same, cross multiplication. 3 multiply QR, there is a 3 QR minus 2 QR upon 2 multiply 3. 3 QR minus 2 QR is a QR upon 6. Here 1 upon 6 multiply Q PQ. Here ST is equal to 1 upon 2 QR minus 1 upon 3 QR. Denominator is not same, cross multiplication. Then we get ST is equal to 1 upon 6 PQ. In a triangle PST, angle T is equal to 90 degree by using Pythagoras theorem. PS square is equal to ST square plus PT square. ST is equal to 1 upon 6 PQ. Here is a 1 upon 6 PQ bracket square plus PT square. This is the PT square is equal to 3 upon 4 PQ square from equation 2. Here 1 square is a 1, 6 square is a 36, PQ square upon 36 plus 3 upon 4 PQ square. Here denominator is a 36, here is a 4, 4 multiply 9 at numerator and denominator, then we get denominator the same. 3 into 9, 27. 4 into 9, 36. Denominator same, take 1 time. PQ square plus 27 PQ square upon 36. येथे PS स्क्वेअर इज इक्वल टू 36 डिनोमिनेटरला आहेत आणि 4 आहेत. छेद समान करण्यासाठी या पदाला अंशाला आणि छेदाला 9 ने गुणा, छेद समान होईल. 9 त्रिक 27, 9 चौक 36, छेद समान आहे. एकदा घ्या. PS square is equal to PQ square plus 27 PQ square upon 36. 27 plus 1 is a 28. 36 goes down. LHS side, then we get multiply. 36 PS square is equal to 28 PQ square. 4 divide on both sides. दोन्ही बाजूला 4 ने भाग द्या. 4 9 are 36. 4 7 are 28. Then we get 9 PS square is equal to 7 PQ square. Hence it is a proof. Problem number 17. Segment PM is a median of triangle PQR. If PQ is equal to 40, PR is equal to 42, and PM is equal to 29, find QR. Solution of this problem. In a triangle PQR, PM is the median. When given triangle and its median, then by using Apollonius theorem. त्रिकोण आणि त्रिकोणाची मध्यगा असेल तर आपण अपोलोनियसचा थेरम अप्लाय करू शकतो. In a triangle PQR, PM is a median, therefore M is the midpoint of QR. Then by using Apollonius theorem, PQ square plus PR square is equal to 2PM square plus 2QM square. Here M is the midpoint of QR, therefore QM is equal to MR is equal to half multiply QR. Here given PQ is equal to 40, PR is equal to 42, PM is equal to 29 is given. Substitute the value in this Apollonius theorem. Then we get 40 square plus 42 square is equal to 2 multiply 29 square plus 2 multiply QM square. 40 square is a 1600, 42 square is equal to 1764. Here 2 multiply 29 square is a 841 multiply 2, then we get 1682 plus 2 QM square. Here QM square is equal to 1682. Sum of these 1600 plus 1764 minus 1682, then we get 1682. QM square is equal to this 1682. Taking square root, QM is equal to 29. QM, M is the midpoint of QR, therefore QM is equal to MR is equal to half of QR, and QR is a twice of QM, therefore QR is equal to twice of QM. QM is a 29, 2 into 29 is equal to 58. This is the length of QR is equal to 58. Last problem in a problem set 2, problem number 18. Segment AM is a median of triangle ABC. If AB is equal to 22, AC is equal to 34, BC is equal to 24, find AM. This is a triangle from figure. In triangle ABC, AM is a median. Solution of this problem. Segment AM is a median of a triangle ABC by using Apollonius theorem. AB square plus AC square is equal to 2AM square plus 2BM square. Given in a problem, AB is equal to 22, AC is equal to 34, BC is equal to 24. Here M is the midpoint of BC. Therefore, BM is equal to CM is equal to half multiply BC is equal to 12. Substitute the value in Apollonius theorem. 22 square plus 34 square is equal to 2am square plus 2 multiplied 12 square. Here 22 square is a 484 plus 34 square is a 1156 is equal to 2am square. The 2 multiply 144 is a 288. Here sum of 484 plus 1156 minus 288, then we get 1352 is equal to 2am square. This 2 goes on LHS side, then we get divide. Am square is equal to 1352 upon 2, we get 676. Am square is equal to 676. Taking square root on both sides, am is equal to 26. Means length of AM is 26.